Hey guys, over here. Over here, over here.
Did you look under the couch?
Under the couch? We can't do that. Yes, we can. No, yeah, but nothing's under there, Abby. No.
How about in your helmet?
Yes.
How about in your helmet?
I got ears from your helmet. Just I'll give you back yours. Okay, then. Here. Let's look up.
Eric Jones is still under there. Look under there. Did you get that?
Huh?
Push it.
No, push this.
Push the couch.
You don't have to. I got the egg.
Guys, we can hide the eggs again and you guys can look for them again.
Wow, what a great idea.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I am. Just go on with us. Figure out a good hiding spot.
Let's wait till everybody else wakes up first, okay?
No.
Kelly, if you hide them now, just Isa's gonna find them. Make sure that you got all the other ones. Let's go back up the stairs and see if you guys saw.
All this. See?
If I saw some up here, you guys missed.
Egg. I found the egg in there.
I see some more.
Where? Yeah, but
Come by the window.
huh?
Come by the window.
You did.
Look high. Look high.
Huh?
Look high.
I don't see any.
On the window.
Orange one.
Oh, don't worry.
Okay, don't worry. You got a bunch, Josiah. You're almost full.
Yeah.
Let me see, Josiah. Whoa.
And look at mine.
Wow.
Mine is almost at the top.
And yours almost too. Guys, happy Easter.
Yeah, but we actually look
Look
high and low and get all the eggs.
High and low, high and low. You want to go upstairs, see if there's any more up here?
Yeah. Okay.
Look high and low.